like it. I want them to become killing machines. I don't like the fact that it's just allowed in that world that there are now flying dinosaurs, pterodactyls and shit. It's like even American Airlines plane, and you're like, oh, look out the window, and let's hope that pterodactyl's not hungry. Oh, no, it is. Yeah, I don't want next week's episode of this year, every 2 years.
You're putting out feelers?
Yeah, we're putting out feelers. Yeah, because people might be like, you know what? He's doing a pretty good job. They're doing a pretty good job as the mayor of Goof World. They're fine. We don't need the vote.
Wow.
We're all happy. And then if there's a re-election, then one's instituted. You walk in.
Do you think you would ever...
Yeah, and there's like a mop and a pile of trash at the end of each one.
Yeah, and like a note on the one on the right you should pick up. But you walk in and it's kind of like when you go through those enclosures in an aquarium where you're walking in like a
Keep it really big.
No, we set the stream up. Nope.
My thoughts on this is that you can tell all the other toppings. My complaint, and you heard this in some of the review, they do not season the patty, and I'm used to a smash burger having some of that season, but it's just
complaining at the time.
It's just
I'm going, short the fucking cheese, I don't care.
It's just a different delivery system.
People were gonna dig it or not, and then I'm just thinking about everything that we've done and how it almost felt like and then I was thinking like, what is one on? And I really had no idea. I felt like for a while there I kind of had a game.
Don't. The fuck are you doing? The fuck are you doing, lady?
Yeah, and then that went on for a long, long time. You said the buffalo is the worst sandwich on the planet. I was offended, and then you ate it. Fantastic. Cucumbers on my board.
Fucking idiot.
In this clip, the right lane is stuck on green. It's supposed to alternate one green per car. Behind me, this Mitsubishi goes through on the green light, but at the same time, the Subaru is going on their green light, which triggers some road rage.
The hamburger. He looks like the hamburger before he started. Okay, let's see where it's going to be held. This is... Okay, here...